Good morning children, welcome back to Maths Track 1 session. In yesterday's class we have learned exercise 2.5, right? That is up to 3 sums only we have learned. Now today I am going to teach you the remaining sums, okay? Is it clear? Now all of you open your textbook page number 34. If you see there, fourth question, page number 34. Okay, you know the question? Solve the following equations, linear equations. That is x minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 whole by 5. Okay, listen very carefully. If such type of sums are given, you know how to do it because it is whole by 3 and whole by 5. So, write here first question. X minus 5 by 3 equals to x minus 3 whole by 5. Now, when the sum is like this, just do cross multiplication, children. We will call it as a cross multiplication. Excuse. So, 5 into x minus 5 equals to 3 into x minus 3. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5s are 25 equals to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, so 5x minus 25, 5x, bring all the x to left hand side, plus 3x will come this side, means minus 3x equals to minus 9, and minus 25 will go that side, means plus 25. So 5 minus 3 is 2x equals to minus 9 plus 25. So one is positive, one is negative, you have to do subtraction. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So x equals to 16 by 2, because into no, so it will come as a division. 2 1s, 2 8s. So x equals to 8. Okay children, is it clear? So x equals to 8. Next, see the sixth sum here. m minus 1 whole by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 whole by 3. Listen very carefully children. While writing question, you should be very perfect, okay? Because one mistake, that means one number also if you do wrong, the full sum is going to get wrong. See the solution. m minus 1 whole by 2 equals to 1 minus m minus 2 whole by 3. Now without doing any transactions from this side to that side, just directly you can do it. By 1 you write, here by 1 you write. Now in LHS, 1 and 2 LCM is what? 2. So what is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2. Now one table, 2 how many times? 2. So 2 into m, 2m minus, but here only you should be very particular about this area. 2 and 2. So 2 table 2 one time. So 1 into, see here, 1 into m minus 1. Why I wrote here in 2 table 2 one time? No, why I did not write here 1? Because there are 2. That means 2 terms are there. When 2 are more than terms, then directly you do like this. Okay children? When 2 terms like this means, first write in 2 table 2 how many times? 1 time. Whatever the number it is, write here 1 and write in bracket this one. Otherwise you will get confused. Next, for 1 and 3 LCM is 3. 1 table 3 how many times? 3. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus, in 3 table 3 how many times? 1 time. So 1 into m minus 2. If you write like this, no, you will have one clarity. So and you will not commit any mistake also. 2m minus 1 into m, 1m, that is m, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 equals to 3 minus 1 into m, 1m, that is m, minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2 by 3. Now if you clearly observe here, 2m minus m, that is 1m. So 1m plus 1. So 1 only to write here. So m plus 1 by 2 equals to, now this is 3 is a positive and plus 2 is also positive. So 3 plus 2 is 5 minus m by 3. Now you can do cross multiplication again. 3 into m plus 1 equals to 2 into 5 minus m. Okay? 3 into m plus 1, 2 into 5 minus m. Okay children? Up to here it is clear? Okay? See here, I am writing this side. 3 into m, how much? 3m plus 3 ones are 3 equals to 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into m, so 2m. Okay, now bring all the m's to left hand side. So 3m minus 2m means plus 2m equals to 10 plus 3 means minus 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5, that is 5m equals to 10 minus 3 is 7. So m equals to 7 by 5. So what is the answer now? M value equals to 7 by 5. Okay children, is it clear? Okay children, here 7th question no? In 7th question, before that he gave one question to us. Simplify and solve the following linear equation. That means first we have to simplify this, then we have to solve. Means how we have to check now. First write the question. 3 into t minus 3 equals to 5 into 2t plus 1. First simplify. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3s are 9. Okay. Next 5 into 2, 10. 5 2s are 10, 10t plus 5 1s are 5. So now you just simplified it. Now we have to find what? T value. Now what you have to do? Bring all the t's to left hand side. 3t plus 10t will become minus 10t equals to 5 minus 9 will go that side means plus 9. So 3t minus 10t. Listen again. 3 into t, 3t. 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10. T. 5 1s are 5. 3t plus means minus here, minus 10t equals to plus 5. Minus 9 means plus 9. Minus 9 means plus 9. So 3 minus 10 minus 7 t equals to 9 plus 5 14. So t equals to 14 by, this is 7 in minus 7 t means minus 7 into t. You know what is the meaning of minus 70? Minus 70 means minus 7 into t. Okay, so into will go that side means what will happen? Division. So minus 7. You all may get doubt now here. Sir, minus no, why can't you change plus? No, it is into, because until unless the number and the variable should have either plus or minus only, it will change. When there is into, it will go directly along with the same symbol. So 7 ones, 7 twos. So t equals to minus, you can write in the numerator 2. So t value is minus 2. Okay children, up to here it is clear. I am giving time to writing for you again, means just once again I am explaining. 3 into 2, 3t, 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Bring all the t's one side and send all the numbers to other side. Then simplify it, okay, for the value of t. Okay, here I am explaining 9 sum for you. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 10 equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Once again I am checking the question. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11. See here, minus 11 here. Equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay. Now, see the solution. As he told that first simplify it, no? So 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. 3 5s are 15 z minus 3 7s are 21 minus 2 9s are 18. So 2 into z, 2z, sorry, 2 9s are 18 z, 18z, 2 9s are 18 z, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, 2 11s are 22 equals to 4 8s are 32 z minus 4 13s are 4 3s are 12, 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, so 52 minus 17. Now first simplify in this left hand side, then right hand side first. 15z minus 18z, how much? Right here 15z minus 18z. He has to simplify first, no? Simplify it. Minus 21 plus 22 equals to 32 minus 32z minus 52 minus 17. So 32z minus 52 minus 17, both are negative. We have to add 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 1 6. Next 15 minus 18, that is minus 3z. 22 and 21, 1 plus 1 minus. So 22 minus 21 is plus 1 equals to 32z minus 69. Now bring all left hand side to variables and send right side to numbers. So minus 3z, here plus 32, no, it will come it as a minus 32 equals to minus 69. This one word plus 1 will go that side, means minus 1. Now 32 and 3, how much? 35. So that is minus 35z equals to minus 70. Okay? Is it clear, children? 32 plus 3, 35, and minus 69 minus 1 is minus 70. Minus minus can cancel directly like this. So z equals to 70 by 35. So in 35 table directly 70 will go. 35 ones, 35 twos. So z equals to 2. So your answer is 2. Is it clear, children? Only calculation part. If you are good in calculation, every sum is easy. Now see, children, exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6. Solve the following equations. Here I am going to teach you the first sum and third sum. Okay? See the first sum here. 8x minus 3 by 3x. Children, once again I am telling you, you no need to do the same, means what I am doing, you no need to follow the same rule. If you know in different way, you can do it. Okay? It's not compulsory that you have to follow my steps only. Okay? In any way you can do it, but the solution, the end solution should be answer same. Okay? Now 8x minus 3 equals by 3x equal to 2. Now here it is denominator 3x is there. It will go that side, means what will happen? Into. So that is 8x minus 3 equals to 2 into 3x. So 8x minus 3 equals to 2 3s are 6x. Now bring all the x to one side. So 8x plus 6x means minus 6x equals to minus 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2x equals to minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay? Is it clear? Next. Coming to the third question, children. See here. Z by Z plus 15. First all of you listen the video. Second time when you again, first you listen clear video. First full video you listen. Then the second time listen and write. Then it is benefit for you. Okay. Then you will get steps thoroughly. Is it clear? And it get habitat also. Is it clear? Next. Now again here you can do cross multiplication here. So 9 into Z, that is 9Z. You can write directly because only one number. So 4 into Z plus 15. So 9Z equals to 4 into Z, 4Z plus 4 15s are 60. Now 9Z minus 4Z equals to 60. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So 5Z equals to 60 and Z equals to 60 by 5. Z equals to 60 by 5. So 5 ones, 5 12s. So Z equals to 12. Okay? Is it clear, children? Now, coming to the homework part. Take out your diary and note down your homework, maths homework. Okay? Exercise 2.5. If you want page number also write, page number 34, chapter 2, exercise 2.5. Fourth Roman I told, and sorry, fourth question I told, sixth also I told. For you homework 5, and even 7 also I told, 9 also I told. 7, 9 finished. So 8 and 10. So 2.5, 3 sums. And coming to exercise 2.6, you just do only one sum, that is second sum. Okay? Remaining 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the next class I am going to finish 2.6 completely. In the next class I will complete 2.6. Then again I will go for 2.2 like that. Word problems. Okay? So exercise 2.6 second sum. So this is your homework. Okay, children? Any doubts, please message me or just call. Then we'll solve the problem. Okay, children? Have a nice weekend, children.